Hi guys! Happy New Year to all of us! My name is Ron and I'm very excited this 2025 because of our F-Mobile products and our new 21 IPP and 59 IPP saving programs. Many people will have a chance to purchase their dream brand new F-Mobile brand name or their Apple iPhones or their dream Samsung phones or maybe your LG phones or Motorola and many of your choice of famous brand names because of our 21 IPP programs. I'm very sure that many people can make up to $2,000 monthly, and if you are a hardworking person like me or like Lisa or Mario, Rian or Richie and other friendship top leaders in Papua New Guinea or in the Philippines or in Solomon Islands, you can make up to $20,000 or in peso, that is 1 million pesos monthly after 3 to 6 months time doing the friendship mobile programs. Very exciting. These are the product lines of F-Mobiles. Alright, so we have 21 IPP programs, that is installment pay program that has 1 point value. The 59 IPP program is 2 point value that pays you $20 per pair. The 21 IPPs will pay you $10 per pair, $10, $10, $10. And we have the 15 Pro Max Android phone that is 2 point value that will pay you $20, $20, $20 per pair. And we have $16 Pro Max Android phone that has 4 point value that will pay you $40, $40, $40, $40 every time you have one pair. And we have F-Watch that is 1 point value that pays you $10 pairing bonus and $10 direct bonus. Alright, we have Volt phone and that is 4 point value that pays you $40, $40. The same thing with 16 Pro Max. The 4 point value, and the F-Watch, by the way, the F-Watch price right now is $69.99 only. Wow! That pays you $10 direct bonus and $10 pairing bonus every time you have one pair. For example, this is you, right? So you have left team and you have right team. Alright? Now, example, you don't have people yet. Alright? Now, let's say, for example, you have one person join on your left team and he purchased the 21 IPP, correct? So that 21 IPP has 1 point value, and then another one person that you have registered from your right team is another 21, correct? So you have another 1 point value here. Every time the system detected that you have one pair, you will get paid. Amazing. So if you have $21 on your left and $21 on your right, you have one pair, the system will pay you $10. Wow. $10 pairing bonus, and in peso, let's multiply it by 55 pesos per dollars, for example, it will pay you 550 pesos. Another example is, this person, okay, he joined in 21 IPP, correct? Now he registered, for example, the 59 IPP on his left, and he or she registered 21 IPP on his right. So this person will get paid, alright, a $10 pairing bonus for this left and right that's he or she registered. Wow. And you have a 2 point value here, 1 point value here, 2 point value here and 1 point value here, so you have 3 point value here, right? Alright. Now, this person from your right registered, for example, another 21 IPP here on his left and another 59 IPP on his right. So this person has one pair, right? One pair. So because 21 and 1 point value and 59 2-point value. So the system will pay you one pair, the 1 point value, not the 2-point value, because it will carry forward the other 1 point value, because the system will pay you 1 point value here. So this person will get paid $10, okay, for this left and right. And you, good news, you have here, okay, you have here 3-point value here and 3-point value here, correct? From this person from your left and from this person to your right. So you will get paid here one pair, which is $10, correct? And another one pair here from 59 IPP from your left and 59 IPP from your right. So you will get paid how much? $20 pairing bonus, for a total of $30 pairing bonus from this level alone. Wow! Another example, alright? So let's say, for example, this person registered 21 IPP here, alright? And this right team of yours registered 16 Pro Max. 16 Pro Max. Alright? So 16 Pro Max, how many point value that you have in 16 Pro Max? So you have 4-point value, correct? So you have here 4-point value here on the right, and you have 1-point value here on your left. And then the following day, your left team sign up 21 here again, the 21 IPP, 59 IPP here, and 21 IPP here. Okay? So if we are going to compute your point value on your left team, so you have 1 point value here, 1 point value here, 2 points, another 2 points here from 59 IPP, another 1 point value here from your right. So a total of 1, 2, and then plus 2, 3, 4, plus 21 again, 5. So you have 5-point value here, correct? So, how much you're going to get from this example? So you have 5-point value here, and you have 4-point value here from the 16 Pro. So you will get paid 4 pairs. So 4 pairs times $10. So you will get paid how much? Okay? $40. Wow! Even you have one person only register on your right team, you will get paid because the point value will match from your point value on your left. Amazing! Now, alright, so you have 0 here because we already paid you, okay? So you have 0 point value here, and now here, you will have 1 point value carry forward the following day, so you have pending 1 point value on your left team, right? Alright, let's say, for example, okay, you have your left team signed up 40 units, 40 pieces of watches. Okay? The point value of watches is 1 point value, correct? Okay? And then, you sign up, for example, 40 people register from 21 IPP on your right team. Whether watches or whether 21 IPP, the system will match it and you will get paid for pairing bonus, even it's different category, okay? So you have here 40 point value here. So it's total of 41 because you have 1 point value pending yesterday, and you have new 40 point value on your right. So 40 pairs, 40 times $10, how much? Alright, 40 times $10 is $400. Wow! Okay, even this is 21 IPP or whether this is watches. So once the system detected that you have pairs, you will get paid Wow! Let's say the following day, following week, or following month, you have another new 10 units sold by your left team. Let's say they sold 15 Pro Max of Android phones, 10. So you have 20 point value because 15 Pro Max times 2 point value, you have 20 point value on your left team. Alright? And let's say, for example, they registered, your right team registered 10 new 59 IPP new members from your right. So 59 IPP has 2 point value. So times 10, you have 20 point value on your right, correct? Even this is cell phones, and even this is 59 IPP, the system will pay you pairing bonus of 20 pairs. Amazing! So 20 times $10, that is $400, and that is in pesos, that is 22,000 pesos. Wow! And last example is example on your left team, you have 50 times 50 registration of new 21 IPP on your left team, and 100 example new members of 59 IPP from your right team. Remember, if you have this on one day, the plus out is every 5 pairs in one day. But we're talking about month or a week, and we're talking about if you have 3 headers or 5 headers, 7 headers. Let's say, for example, you have 50 21 IPP from your left and 150 IPP on your right. So you have 50 point value on here on your left team, and you have 200 point value here. The system will pay you 50 point value times $10. So you have another $500, and in peso that's 27,500 pesos. Guys, listen to me. This opportunity, this 21 IPP is very affordable to millions of people in the world. That's why it's easy to register people. And this comp plan is very, very affordable and very realistic. Guys, contact the person who shared this video with you and sign up now. Happy New Year and advance happy making lots of money in Friendship Mobile. Happy New Year, everyone.